Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my Advent again. So, let's go ahead and do a Halloween stitch marker, a scary movie stitch marker, and our Hearts on Fiber. So, the Halloween stitch marker. Let's check it out. So, this is really pretty. Oh, it says Boo. And it's got a pumpkin. So that's really cool. There's the Halloween stitch marker. Let's get the scary movie stitch marker, which happens to be my favorites. I loved it. I love it. Look, look, look. It is a bloody saw. That's like so cool. And let's go on to our Hearts on Fiber. Let's see what's all smashed up in this little box. It's yarn. Ooh. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I actually take and smash all that tissue paper in there. So, let's get reacquainted with all these. So, these are really pretty. There's one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's the last one. Oh wow, I'm getting quite a few of these. These are quite beautiful. Yes, I just dropped one. So, you get to watch me lay down and pick it up. So here's the big ones. And here is the little ones. These are going to look fantastic together. I cannot wait to put them together. They are absolutely gorgeous. Love them. So, stay tuned tomorrow, and we'll open another one. Bye now.